Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the most unique and useful finds from around the world. Today, we're looking at what we call the best swinging animal car ornament available online. The cool swinging duck car hanging ornament by XY North. Let's start with first impressions. This ornament brings a charming personality to your vehicle with a humorous and cheerful design. It features a little duck wearing a playful pink fedora, holding a juice glass, and swinging freely as you drive. Whether you're cruising through the city or heading out on a long road trip, this duck is always vibing, giving you a quirky visual that might just lighten your mood. Now, aside from how adorable it is, let's talk about the build. The duck is made from high-quality gypsum plaster. That means it's not only durable and safe but also free from any unpleasant odors. You'll notice the finish is smooth to the touch, and despite being a novelty product, the attention to detail makes it feel like more than just a gag gift. In terms of size, the duck stands at about 6 centimeters tall and 4 centimeters wide, or roughly 2.4 by 1.6 inches. It weighs just 1.4 ounces, so it's light enough to swing comfortably on your rearview mirror without being a distraction or a hazard. Installing it is easy. It comes with a strong cord that makes it ready to hang right out of the box. Just loop it around your mirror and you're done. And it's not limited to your car. Many users hang it in their bedrooms, offices, or even on their backpacks for a dash of fun. The swing movement gives it life, adding motion and joy to an otherwise static space. Now, in a world of overly serious car accessories, this swinging duck stands out as a breath of fresh air. It doesn't just decorate, it interacts. It swings to the rhythm of the road, creating a calming, almost meditative movement that can reduce visual fatigue. That's a small but real psychological benefit when you're on the road every day. Worried about durability? The duck is built to last. The color doesn't fade easily, and even though it's made of plaster, it's not fragile. But in case something does happen during shipping, the manufacturer offers a no-questions-asked replacement or refund guarantee, so you're covered. This ornament isn't just an accessory, it's a conversation starter. Whether someone's hopping in your car or walking past your desk, it catches the eye and usually gets a smile or a chuckle. So if you're looking to personalize your car interior with something that feels lighthearted, a little weird, and 100% fun, this is the one to go for. It's affordable, unique, and makes a great gift too. That wraps up today's review. If you're into fun and functional products like this, hit that subscribe button for more. Thanks for watching Product Critique, where we turn everyday finds into unforgettable favorites. See you in the next one.